Fine then. So good evening, everyone. Oh, hold on. Me. Yeah. Online team, is my voice is clear? Can I get a response? It is visible, right? Fine then. So let us start. Can somebody help me? Currently we are in, what is the topic name, sir? Terminology, I guess, right? Terminology. And we are going to close this one. And once we done with this one, the next topic is a learning function. What is the topic name? Yeah, we'll see. Fourteen. So the next topic is, hold on, sir. Kindly please spare few minutes. Data and ML algorithms, sir. Next topic is data and ML algorithms. And the next topic is learning function. And types of models. Good. These are all upcoming topics I would like to say. So ML terminology, let us start. Check the accuracy. Can somebody tell me till where I covered actually? Terminology, are we done? Oh, we just started, I guess. Okay, good. If you really remember, do let me know where exactly we are. Tell me. So did I started what is a train, how to train, model trains, pattern, these are all stuff. Okay, good. Before train, after train, test the model. Yeah, accuracy. Exactly here I stopped, I guess. Model deployment towards, okay. These I told I can cover later. Smart application, good. I need to start from here. But anyway, I will give a small recap. So let us start. Sir, ensure that you have to remember now what you need to remember, if somebody say about the Python, then definitely there is a terminology, the terms you need to remember. These terms literally helps you to connect with you. Keywords also we can say, terminology also we can say, reserved words also we can say. Am I right? Tell me a few words actually. Can I say functions? Next one, data structure. Okay, next one, class. Next one, object. Next one, method. Blah blah blah. These are all okay. Good. Same thing like a pandas terminologies, data frame, series, these are all. Now same thing like that, ML also having terminology. What is the terminology you need to understand? One of the main terminology will be, please focus on this one. First of all, ML algorithm, the first terminology. What is that one? Also called as a model. Also called as what exactly, sir? Model. Next one is a data. Next one is what exactly? When I say data, 100% data. How much data? It's a the total data, sir, right? The total data is divided into two parts, man. What is the first one? Train data set belongs to how much percent? 7 by default, no doubt in that. Hey, can I split into 60? You can do. hold on your anxiety. I will tell you how to do that one. But as of now, machine learning algorithm, whenever you are giving the data, if you are trying to splitting the data, by default 70% belongs to training data set. That's it. And remaining how much? 30 belongs to testing data set. What is that one, sir? Testing data set. Like this, the terminology you need to understand first. That terminology. Anyway, I hope I have given one fun example. I hope you still remember. Let me just try to give a small recap, not long time. Good. So my father decided to train what exactly, sir? Train to his son to recognize what exactly? Cat and dog. The problem statement is recognizing cat and dog. Then what my father done, he collected a data. I would like to say images, man. What is that one? Images. I would like to say this is the data. Total how many images? 100 images actually. Then my father splitting the data. Splitting what exactly? Data. How much? What is the ratio? That is called as a ratio. The ratio will be, talk with me, 70 plus 30, right? So the training data set, what is the ratio, sir? 70%. Good. 70% is the training data set, and 30% is what exactly? Testing. Guys, are you getting? Let me talk with online team once. Online team, I need a final call actually. Are you with me? Can I get a response? All right, it's okay. Sir, once you train, now let me tell you, before training, before, with train data, we need to train model. We need to train what exactly? Model, also called as a ML algorithm. Also called as what exactly? ML algorithm. Right, good. Before training, before what exactly? Training, model don't know anything. Model what exactly, sir? Don't know anything. I would like to say zero knowledge, man. What is that one? Zero knowledge actually. Am I right or not? Good. Yeah. With the good. After training, after training, talk with me. Model knows almost knows everything about the data. About what exactly, sir? Data actually. I would like to say, keep in mind that, yeah, it's a right time. Once the training is done, once what is done? Training is done. We need to check the accuracy. We need to check what exactly? Accuracy. To check the accuracy, we need to test the model. We need to what exactly, sir? Test the model. Check the accuracy. These are all step by step, man. You have to, remember, there is no alternative. Check accuracy. Check model accuracy. We need to test the model. Test what exactly? Test the model, right? So testing, what is the data set actually? Talk with me, sir. What to test? What is the data set we need to use? 30%. That's it actually. 30% data we need to use for testing, right? If accuracy good, then deploy model. Deploy what exactly? Model actually. Good. If accuracy not good, then okay, hold on. Not good, then what we need to do, retrain the model. What we need to do, sir? Retrain the model. Yes, exactly. Last week till here I explained actually. Yeah, ensure that. Let me ask a question. If I say data total, how much? 100%. Training data, testing data, algorithm, how much data we need to train? 70%. Algorithm, how much data we need to test? Why testing? Why training? Awesome, man. You understand. You know what? The total machine learning is this one only, sir. If you remember this example, bring any example, you can explain in very easily actually. Nice question. I can help you, sir. We will enter into the discussion practical. I will show you. Arati, we'll see. Good question. Good question. We'll see. We'll learn this one. So I hope today is not last day for the machine learning. We'll see. Let's stop. Good. Now there are two things you need to understand, man. How many things you need to understand? Two things. Look at my screen. The first one is smart application. What is the first one? Smart application. Next one is normal application. Next one is what exactly? A simple boss. Smart application means once accuracy is really good, then we need to deploy the model. Once model deployed, then the application becomes like a smart application. Application becomes like what exactly? Let me tell you. After training is done, my relatives came. Then, automatically in front of my relatives, I'm doing some overaction. What is that overaction? My relative is showing what so and so image. I'm telling what I'm telling actually, either cat or dog. What exactly? Then my father is telling my son is really what exactly, sir? Smart guy. I mean to say that there are objects, if you are able to recognize this is the chair, this is the table, this is the wall, then that is called as a smart guy, smart application. What application? Once you trained your algorithm, then your algorithm will behave like a smart application. Your algorithm will behave like what exactly? Best example, sir. Take your mobile, take a camera actually, no doubt at all, it will recognize your face. Am I right or not? Then it is called as a smart application. What application? Smart application. Good. So coming to the normal application. Normal application cannot recognize anything. It just works with instruction based. If x is greater than y, print the x value. If x is not greater than y, print the y value. That's it actually. This is something like a if else example, sir. What example? If else example. Assuming that we have created an application by using Java.NET or Python, it just called as a normal application. Best example, flow control, first if example. Good. This application is called as a, this application is just like a instruction based, sir. What based actually? Instruction based. Instruction based means if x value is greater than y, then print what exactly? If x value is less than y, then print what exactly? That's it. There is no recognition, no learning actually here. Did you understand? Yeah. Do you think this program will recognize cat and dog actually? No, no. There is no training here actually. Okay. Normal application cannot think like a human to take the decision. Normal application cannot take what exactly? Own decision. But ML algorithm can take the decision. Best example, automatic car driving system. If you are saying go to the left, it will go to the left actually. Based on your instruction, it will take the decision. Good. I hope you understand. Now move to the next one. A smart application is an application which thinks like a human to take the decision. Smart application is what exactly, sir? Intelligent based. Something like, hey, boss, simple. If somebody is saying about machine learning algorithm, think like a human being. That's it. Think like a human. Think like what exactly? Now, generally, a human is required, but instead of human, if you deploy one ML algorithm, that algorithm works like a human actually. That algorithm works like what exactly? Human. It's a very simple use case. Come on, we already have seen. One of the best use cases is, this is the first and best use case, which is called as a Gmail application. What application? Gmail application, right? Uh, Assuming that, sir, on an average per day, per day minimum 1 or 2 minutes, million of mails are sending each sender and receiver actually. How many mails? Millions, not 1 or 2 men. Then definitely background one ML algorithm is required. That ML algorithm supposed to filter which one is the valid mail, which one is the spam mail, which one is a promotion, which one is blah blah blah. These are all different mails actually. Tim, did you understand? I mean to say that, assuming that I sent a mail to you, or else somebody sent a mail to you, all Access Bank applications are going into promotions. Which bank application? Access Bank. Amazon mails, it will goes to some kind of some shopping promotions actually. How it is going automatically? Back end ML algorithm is working. Who is working? That ML algorithm will filter the mail. Or boss, before you, best example, sir, let me tell you. Let us take my father, my account and my father account. I'm trying to sending 1,000 rupees to my father account. Do you think directly it will go? No, man. In between, RBI will hold my money. Who will hold my money? First of all, when I send a money, money goes to RBI account. Money goes to whom? Same thing like that. Whenever you are sending a mail, your mail goes to Gmail ML application. What application, sir? Then there it will decide, Arey man, what kind of application it will be, what kind of mail it will be. Either it is a useful mail, spam mail, promotion, blah 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 actually. Did you understand? Good. You guys need to walk through theory. Accuracy testing, simple. Before deploying the model, it needs to be tested in lot of dimensions. Am I right or not, sir? Best example, let us take my father. End of the day, I supposed to show good results, like a total how many images? 30 images. If I'm getting a score 27 out of 30, my father will feel my son is really trained very well. Actually, he is really performing very good. If I show my performance like a 5 out of 30, how much actually? Then again, what happened? First time beatings will come. What it will come, sir? Beatings actually. What you're doing when I'm training, something like that actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then retrain. What exactly? Retrain. Good. Before deploying the model, it needs to be tested in lot of dimensions. When I say lot of dimensions, think like take a dog, man. Dog having not only one dimension, you can look into different dimension actually. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. If model is getting good prediction, then we need to deploy the model. We need to deploy what exactly, sir? Model. This is the exact process actually. Come on, talk with me. What is the first one? We need to train the model. One more time. Train the model. If I say model, model means what exactly? ML algorithm. One more time. Yeah. During training the model, it during training, model acquires the knowledge. Best example, during training, being a Daniel, I'm understanding which one is the cat and which one is the dog. That too, my father is stressing. Hey boss, if it is a dog, it is a big shape actually. If it is a cat, it is a small shape, something like that. Attributes he is explaining. During training, model acquires what exactly, sir? Yeah, this knowledge is also called as a model fit. This knowledge is also called as what exactly? Yeah, pattern also we can say. Pattern also. Good. Let me make a note. Don't worry. Knowledge also called as a patterns. Also called as what exactly? Patterns. Model fit also. What is that one, sir? Many names, man. These are all many names actually. I'm eagerly waiting to start ML algorithm. We'll see. Once after model fits produced, I mean to say that once after the model is created, then we need to test the model. Why? To check accuracy. If accuracy is really good, then what we need to do? Deploy the model. Simple, man. Are man, out of all this discussion, one point is important. What is that one? If there is no data, no data science, sir. No data science actually, right? So we need to train the model with what exactly? Data. During this training, model will go through the data and understand the patterns about the data. Just to hold on for 2 minutes. In next example, I will show you how it will walk through these are all things actually. Good. These patterns helps to predict the results on what exactly? New data. Once the model trained really very good, even best example, once I trained which one is a cat and which one is a dog, even you can bring Mumbai dog, Bangalore dog, any other dog actually, I'm sure I can recognize. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Once the model is really very trained, then it can helps to predict results on what exactly? New data. In a very simple way. Yeah, I know there are few points I kept hold actually. These later you can understand, man. What is the towards target at general example? Come on. I hope you understand what is a model. Model means algorithm. Training. How to train? How to train, sir? With the data. What is that one? With the data. Next one. Model lens. What exactly? Pattern. Pattern means knowledge. Before training, zero knowledge. Before training, zero. After training, yeah, it gain the knowledge. Test the model. Why testing? To check accuracy. Once everything is good, then you can go for deployment. Smart application can take the decision itself on its own. We are all smart guys. Why? Because when you are moving over the road, if any vehicle is coming towards to us, we can take a side actually, because we applied automatically smartness. What we applied actually? Let us take this mouse. I kept over the road actually. Do you think that it will move? No, sir. It is not a smart application. Good. All right. Man, this is important, boss. From when exactly the algorithm will start, this we are going to make today, day after tomorrow, sir. We'll see. It's okay. We'll see. Now the next topic name is a. What is the next topic name, sir? Talk with me. Machine learning, data and ML algorithms. What is that one? Data and what exactly? ML algorithms. Hold on. We'll see. Step by step, we'll see actually. Let me drink water. Please focus on this one. Assuming that would you have a data? Would you have what exactly? Data actually. Right, good. We'll do one thing. This data will give to maths. The first person name is a math actually. We'll give to whom actually? Maths. How the math will explain about this data, we'll understand. Assuming that there are three persons for us actually. First one is a maths, next one is CSC background actually, a computer science student, math student. First one is a math student, next one is computer, computer science students actually, science student, a CSC student, man, CSC student. And last one is ML engineer. Last one is what exactly? ML engineer. ML engineer, we'll see. We'll do one thing. We'll give the same data to the three persons. To how many persons actually? Three persons. First person, math student. Second one, CSC student. Third one, ML engineer. Now let me tell you one example. A equals to 10. Can I say this is the variable? Yeah. Still we can say this is also called as object actually. What is that one? Yeah, I mean to say that based on situation, this behaves like a variable. This behaves like what exactly? Object actually. Now today we are going to understand, assuming that there are three members. First person, he is a master in maths. If you have given the data, what he explained from his math, will see. There is a second person, CSC student. What student, sir? Means he knows the coding actually. He knows what exactly? Coding. And on what perspective he will explain. Then he knows algorithm. He knows what exactly? Algorithm. Then he knows what exactly? Mass actually. Good. We'll see. Step by step, we'll see. Very interesting. I mean to say that what I'm trying to, 1 minute. What I'm trying to explaining with you is, sir, simple, sir. There is a data. There is what exactly? Data. The same data, let me look into different dimension. I would like to say the first two dimension is something like a math background. What is the first one? Second dimension should be somewhat computer science background. What background? Computer science background. Third one will be what exactly? ML engineer. That's it. So that we can close the discussion. ML algorithm perspective. ML algorithm, what exactly? Perspective. Are you with me? Good. Let me open this. Long back we have seen this definition. Am I right or not, sir? Can I explain this? Not required. Anyway, but it is collection of facts. Facts means alphabets, numbers, alphanumeric symbols. Yeah. Can I say, please focus. Can I say CSV file or else Excel file? Good. Sir, how many rows? 3 rows. Previously, one student told 1, 2, 3, 4. I will cry, sir. This is not a rows actually. Yeah. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Yeah. How many? Sorry, man. Column 1, column 2, column 3. 3 columns actually. How many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. Still, we can say this is also called as a index. What is this one? Index. Now, let me tell you. Generally, any company, they would like to represent the data in terms of table format, sir. In terms of what exactly? Table format is really very good in order shape actually. What is that one? Best example, all you guys came to session, all chairs are in an order actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now please focus on this one. Assuming that there are column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, column number 4. That's it actually. Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. Good. Now let me ask you a question. Sir, can somebody tell me what is the value? 2.2. What is the value? 2.3. What is this value? 1. It is okay. I mean to say that, these three are values actually. I hope these are all values actually. I would like to say data. Hold on. Move on to the next one. Generally, table having data like a rows and column. Sir, concentration required. This is a bit interesting and really interesting actually. Generally, table having what exactly? Data like a rows and columns and cells. We know. Cell means, do you think mobile cell? No. Tabular data is what exactly? Very easy to understand. Row. A row explains single entity or observation. When I say row, go back. Can I say this is the complete details actually? Go back, hold on, go to data analysis, go to all files, and I just wanted to access. Where is the CSV file, sir? Let's open this. Take this one. Okay, good. These are all name of the columns. Let us take a one row. Let us take what exactly? One row. Sir, I would like to say this is one observation or else one record. What is that one? One record, also called as a complete details actually. Am I right or not, sir? Regarding one customer, what is the customer name? Viru. These are all complete details. These are all what exactly? Complete details. A row explains a single entity. You can also call as what exactly? Single entity or observation. Can I ask a question? Entity, that word we have seen in Python, and which topic? Oh, very good. Nice, sir. List data structure, right? Any other topic? Somebody told. Sir, you should remember this one. Please. Yeah, it's okay. Do revision, Python revision. A row is called as a record. A row is called as what exactly? A record actually. Good. Next one is a column. A column is a vertical group of cells. Hey man, come on. Just I'm trying to explaining what is this row, what is this column. A technical words actually. Are you with me? Good. A column having same type of values. In column, we can store the data like a weights, heights, prices. These are all information. Just try to say a kind of some, what is a cell? I'm giving a definition actually. Let me hide this. Damn important, man. We are going to get a data, assuming that this is the data. What is the data? Get ready. We are going to take a data. This data we are going to give a math student, assuming that there is a person hidden math PhD actually, right? Data. What is the data, sir? What is the first column name? Talk with me. Area. Next one is what exactly? Rice packets. Rice packets. First one is 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30. Okay, good. Let us take this data. Now, let us just try to give this data to math student man. To whom actually? Sir, let me tell you. If you have given this data to the math student, what math student will do, math student will create formula by using data. By using what exactly? Now read everyone. Math person will create what exactly? Formula. By using what exactly? Data. It's okay. Now you need to understand how it is possible. It's a very simple. Let me ask a question. For 4, how much actually? 40. What math student will do? He will apply small logic actually. And if you need rice packs, if you need what exactly, sir? Rice packs actually, then you need to apply this formula. What is the formula? Talk with me. First of all, can we bring one small formula actually? What is that formula? Exactly, man. 1 into 10. What is the result? 10. 2 into 20. Very good. What is the result? Sorry, sir. So 2 into 10. I'm not a math guy, right? That's what. Yeah, good. Next one is a 3 into. As of now, I'm just trying to showing a normal discussion. Yeah. Now talk with me. 4 into what exactly happened? 10. Then what is the result? 40. Conclusion of this story. Can I say this 4 means what exactly? Area. Rice, if you need rice packs actually, area into, as of now, some value. What is that one, sir? Some value. That value is as of now what exactly? 10 value. If you have given this data to the math student will tell, take this formula. You given the data to me, right? Take this formula. And he will tell you, if you wanted to know if any person area, if you are giving, automatically this formula will help you to understand the future data. To understand what exactly, sir? Future data. Now talk with me. Suddenly I just wanted to know rice packs of 5 areas, sir. 5 acres actually. Then talk with me. 5 into, tell me, sir. 10. Then exactly can I say 5 areas? What exactly? 50. Did you understand? Did you understand that one? Good. Now, yeah. First of all, statistical, a kind of some math person, statistical perspective. In statistical perspective, not important interview question, this is just for your better understanding. A statistic student can understand the data in this way, sir. It is the context of, what is this one? Read everyone. Hypothetical function that the machine learning algorithm is what exactly? I understand you didn't understand this definition. Don't worry, I will explain one more time. Later, I'm sorry, later I will explain actually. You may ask a question, what do you mean by hypothetical? Simple, sir. Assumption. What is that one? Assumption. Good. Read everyone. It is the context of hypothetical function that ML algorithm is trying to what exactly? Learn actually. If you have given the data to the a kind of some math student, given background, the math means nothing but ML algorithm. ML algorithm behind is what exactly, sir? Math actually. Assuming that there is a farmer in village, initially he had his 1 acre land. While farming rice, he gets yields something like 110, 220, 330. Then suddenly, if a farmer having 4 acres land, then how many rice packets yield? A non-technical student also will answer, sir. What you will answer actually? 40. Means even non-technical person applied math in his brain actually. Did you sir, everywhere math, everywhere what exactly? But that is the hidden. That is what exactly? Hidden actually. 110, 220, 334. How much actually? Now background math person, he will take the data, he will start applying this kind of calculation. Okay, 1 acre, how the result is getting 10, 1 into 10, 2 into 10, 3 into 10, 4 into what exactly? 4 into 10. What is the final result? Sir, this is just for your better understanding. I have taken the simple data. What data? We'll work with complex data. Don't worry. Don't think like these are all Britannia example. I know this is double Britannia example, but hold on. I will explain real time examples actually. Are you with me? Yeah. Simple formula. What is the formula? Rice yield equals to land size into what exactly? 10. Talk with me, sir. Rice yield. If you want any rice yield, then what we need to provide? Give me the land size. Then automatically he created a formula. In his formula, according to the data, there is a value. What is the value? 10. Then he will multiply with that one actually. Team, are you with me? Good. Now, hold on. Data. Sir, for your better understanding, I would like to tell, this is column number 1. What is that one actually? In math perspective, that you can call as a column number 1. This one also called as what exactly? Column number 2. Tell me, sir, what is that one? Column number 2. Good. Next one. Area is also called as it is having another name that is called as input, man. That is called as what exactly? Input. Price packs also called as a output. Seriously interesting. See, please understand. When I say area still you can call as what exactly? Input. Still you can call what exactly? Column. And rice packet still you can call output. Still you can call column. Terminology, remember. Later on I can tell actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. I hope you guys are understanding. Let me not disturb you. Let us move on. This is interesting, sir. Yeah. Now let us just try to understand in terms of the machine learning perspective. What perspective? Machine learning perspective. Good. Now, as I told you, machine learning algorithms also backend it is using math actually. Backend it is using what exactly? Math. Yeah, talk with me. Rice packets. Now hold on. Rice packets means, can I say output actually? Very good. Output equals to yeah, talk with me, sir. Yeah, output equals to what exactly? 1 minute. Input of, no sir, let me bring nice formula for you. Rice packs equals to area into, talk with me, 10. Am I right? Now you please help me. Rice packs means what exactly? Output. Very good. Now I'm sure you can easy to understand. Output equals to, what is the next one, sir? Input into what exactly? 10. Seriously, very good. Right. Are you with me? Good. Sir, I would like to say output equals to input into what exactly? 10. So instead of this one, you can still draw one more thing actually. F of input man. F of what exactly? Here F means function. F means what exactly? A kind of some math formula. A kind of some what exactly? Math formula. I need a response from you. You talk with me. Rice packets equals to area into what exactly? 10. One more time. Rice packets equals to area into 10. Here rice packets also having another name. That name is called as a output. So you can substitute instead of rice packets, you can substitute output. Then area. What is the area, sir? Input. Input into what is the value? Then a kind of some constant value. A kind of some what exactly? Constant value. Now I would like to say output equals to f of input man. F of what exactly? Input. Means if you want any output actually, definitely backend along with input, one formula supposed to work. Which one supposed to work actually? Formula supposed to work. Are you with me? Good. Just try to see. To predict the output for the given output input actually, right? Why machine learning algorithm is trying to learning the function, right? Good. Output equals to f of input, sir. Columns also called as what exactly? Input variable. Predicted result is called as a output variable, response variable. Yeah, good, sir. Output also called as a output variable. Input also called as a input variable. Very very important. Now let me bring one more definition. Come on. We'll see how many of you understand actually. Talk with me, sir. First one is what exactly? Area. Next one is rice packs. I need literally, I need your help actually. 1, 10, 2, 20, 3. Check your understanding, sir. 4, 40. The result is what exactly? 40. Now get ready. First one is also called as a, sir, please, sir. Everyone talk. Second one is column 2. Third one is input. Next one is output. Sir, you know what? Input also called as a X. Input also called as what exactly? Okay, so our friend is telling, Array Daniel, input variable you told, right? That is okay. This one also called as what exactly? Output variable. Then I hope you understand these are all discussion. Sir, technically speaking, input is representing with X value. Input is representing with what exactly? X value. Talk with me one more time. Input is representing with what exactly? X value. Output is representing with Y value. Output is representing with what exactly? According to the standard in machine learning. In machine learning. In machine learning, if I say input, you can say X value. What value? X value. If I say X, yes, exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A kind of some input actually. And output is representing with what exactly? Y value. Output is representing with what exactly? Y value. It's okay, cool. Now previously we draw one formula, right? Output equals to what exactly, sir? Input into some 10 value. According to this one, these two, can you help me actually? Seriously, do you think X Y equals to X into what exactly, sir? Nice, man. Nice actually. Let me reveal small secret. These are all not important, boss, for interview purpose. No one will not ask actually. This is just for your better understanding. Assuming that I have given this data, what exactly we are doing, that data in what dimension we can see. Whenever you're joining in a project, somebody will say this is the input actually. Somebody will say that is a column. Someone will say that is a X actually. You should know these are all terminology. If you don't know, area is also called as X actually, then what we need to do know? You have to come out of the cabin. You have to take a mobile. You have to call to whom actually? Daniel actually. Then you need to give left and right. You idiot. You didn't even explain these are all stuffs actually. Am I right or not, sir? Will you scold actually? Please don't scold me, sir. Okay. Now I need a help from you. Get ready. Column 1, column 2. Input, output, input variable, output variable, X, Y, area, rice packets. Getting right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still, there is a good discussion. Hold on. At last, I can finalize these are all stuff. Now, just try to say. Seriously interesting. Yeah. Previously, we have taken the data, right? What is the data? Go back. There are 3 columns data we have taken. What columns data we have taken, sir? Column 1, column 2, column 3. How many columns you have taken? So assuming that first to column 1 and column 2 are inputs actually. What is that one? Input is representing with what? X. Input is representing with what exactly? X. Because of this 2.2 and 2.3, assuming that the result is the 1. The result is what exactly? 1 actually. Just assuming that. Okay, best example, man. A person having serious cold and next one is a body heat. Then he's having fever. He's having what exactly? Based on input you can get what exactly? Output actually, right? Good. Now can I say this is x1 and this is what exactly? X2. This is what exactly? You understand, man? You got it actually. I will tell you later why 2.2 2.3 1, why 2.3 2.6 0, but understand the scenario here actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. Now in the same dimension, apply your thought here actually. Just try to say, wow, x1 x2, what is this one? Now if I say y, what is that one? Output. Come on everybody, please respond. If I say y, what is that one? Output. One more time. Output, output, output actually. Next one, what is this one? Input. One more time. Input actually. There are how many inputs would you have? Two inputs. First input name is called as a x1. Second input name is called as a perfect, man. You understand actually. Are you getting everyone? All right. Input data may have more than one variable. When I say input, it can be x1, x2, x3, x4, keep on, sir. There is no limitation. There is no what exactly? Limitation. Good. The group of input variables also called as what exactly? Somewhere we heard this vector, man. Where exactly? I need exactly that word. Somebody told array and almost numpy. Where we discussed, sir? Numpy. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, in math also we discussed actually. But ensure that in real time, when I say vector, you can still, what you can think, sir? Input variable also. Input variable. Okay. Now terminology in statistics actually. Come on. These are all points also you need to understand. Yeah. Again, the same fundamental. Take the same data actually. Like this, I need to draw a lot of table actually. So that you can easy to remember, man. Talk with me. Area. Next one is rice packets. Today you should understand these are all stuff, man. 1, 2, sir, I need your help, please. 3, 30. 4, what is the result? 40. Good. Get ready. First one is called as a column 1. Second one is also called as a column 2. And next one is, what is that name? Input. Very good. It is also called as a, very good. Next one. What is the next one? X. This one also called as a, oh, somebody is telling, array Daniel, you told input variable. This one also called as what exactly? Input variable. It is okay. Next one is X. Next one is what exactly? Y. Sir, let me bring another name. Let me bring what exactly? Another name. This is called as a independent variable. What is that one? Independent variable. And this is called as a dependent variable. What is that variable? Dependent variable. That definition also you need to remember. Let me tell you, area always independent. Area never depends upon any other thing actually, but getting rice packets depend upon what exactly, sir? It's a very simple formula. The input also representing as input variable. Simple. You can remember very easily. Input I, independent variable I. You can remember like that. Input variable also representing with what exactly? Independent variable. This is also called as what exactly, sir? Dependent variable. Guys, are you getting? According to that, let me bring the formulas. Formula, sir. I need your help, man. First one is a output equals to, talk with me, sir. Input into 10 value. Very good. Instead of into, let me use star symbol. What symbol? Star symbol. Next one is what exactly? Y equals to x into 10. Very good. Now you talk with me, sir. Can I say dependent variable equals to, dependent variable equals to what exactly? Independent variable into 10. That's it. Is it easy or not? Very easy, sir. You should not sleep actually. Now see the formula. See, dependent variable equals what exactly? Independent variable. I hope you are having the same thing. Dependent variable equals what exactly? Independent variable. Simple. Is it simple or not? Yeah, good. Here, f of independent variable means, f means function, man. F means what exactly? function actually. Simple. Input variable also called as a independent variable. Output variable also called as a dependent variable. Here output is a dependent on what exactly? Function input. This you can ignore. What is a function? Yeah. Input variable representing with what exactly, sir? X. This is a bit important, man. Now let me bring the final function. Y equals to f of x. F of what exactly? Y equals to f of x, do you think this 10 value is the constant actually? No, it will be changed data to data. It will be changed what exactly? Sir, for the given data, we are getting 1 into 10, 2 into 10, 3 into 10, 4 into 10. Am I right or not? Assuming that you may take a next village data actually. In that village, the yield can be different. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Sir, this one you need to remember everyone. Talk with me. Y equals to, we are almost very near. Y equals to what exactly? F of x. You have to remember. Here, if I say y, what is that value? Output. X means input actually. Come on, very good. Almost very near. Theory, you no need to understand, man. These are all biscuit theory. Computer science perspective. It's interesting. A computer scientist student can see something like this, sir. Output instead of variable, what he will talk actually? Attribute. What is that one? Attribute. Next one is a input attribute. Function means what exactly, sir? Program. What is that one? Program. I will not take much time, sir. Good. Output attribute. Output what exactly? Attribute. Otherwise output equals to, still you can say, program of what exactly, sir? Input. That's it. Come on, talk with me everyone. Output equals to f of input. Instead of that one, what we need to tell? Program of what exactly? Why? Because sir, a CSE student, he need to write a program to get the output actually. A CSE student, he need to write what exactly? Program to get what exactly, sir? Output. Did you understand? Good. Output equals to program input features and yeah. Feature, let me cover later. Prediction output actually. If I say output, what kind of output here actually? Prediction output. Good. Now this is the ML algorithm discussion, sir. Theory you can ignore literally. Model equals to algorithm into what exactly? I'm repeating one more time. Model equals to algorithm into what exactly? Data. Good. Now let me bring what are all important formulas, in terms of the machine learning perspective. Model equals to what exactly, sir? Algorithm into data. So let me just try to draw what are all important stuff actually according to that discussion. The first one is what is important, y equals to f of x important, sir. Next one, dependent variable equals to independent variable into 10. This is a bit important. Model equals to algorithm into data. That's it. If you remember these three things, then theory, trust me, you no need to understand. These are all discussion. What is going on? You no need to understand. Now get ready. You have to read. First one is y equals to, tell me, sir. F of x. Dependent variable equals to independent variable into 10. Model equals to algorithm into data. That's it. This is the small chapter. Intentionally, I made it actually. Yeah. Good. Now you need to understand machine learning algorithm is learning math function from the data. Math function from what exactly, sir? Data. When I say ML algorithm, of course, ML algorithm is learning from the data. What it is learning, it is learning math function, man. I would like to say, instead of math function, we can still say math formulas. What is that one? Math formulas actually. This is a bit important. Generally people will say machine learning algorithm is learning from the data. ML algorithm is learning from what exactly? Data. What it is learning, math formulas it is learning. What it is learning? Why math formulas, boss? Why? Because ML algorithms backend is the math. ML algorithms backend is what exactly? Math actually. Are you getting? Good. Can I ask you one question? Why it is learning? To do the prediction. To do what exactly? Prediction. Nice. Hmm. Now please observe here. Machine learning algorithm, it's a called as a learning function. What functions are? Learning function. Machine learning algorithm explained as learning the target function which maps input variable to what exactly? Output variable. This formula we can say in a very simple way, right boss? We are just trying to mapping in between input and output actually. We are just trying to mapping what exactly? Input and output, right? Good. Learning target function which maps input variable to what exactly? Output variable. Talk with me, sir. Output equals to what exactly? F of input, also called as a y equals to f of x. Y equals to what exactly? F of x. Guys, are you getting? Hold on. Till now I say it is not important, this is not important, right? Now I'm going to cover one point that is a bit important. I need your attention actually. Good. Get ready. A kind of some formula. Can somebody help me? What are all formulas I covered actually? Only one formula is enough. Yeah, y equals to output equals to, can I say f of input actually? Can I say what exactly? F of input. Next one, y equals to f of x. F of what exactly? X actually. Sir, this is a really bit important. Let me tell you. Y equals to f of x plus it is also having one more formula. This is the final one. You have to please remember actually. What is that one? Hold on, I will tell you. Yeah. Let us take a data. Let us take what exactly? Data actually. Good. Area equals to rice packets. Area equals what exactly? 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40. For what exactly? 40 actually. Assume that. So can somebody talk with me? If I say 4 actually, can somebody tell me I done prediction for 38, sir? I done prediction for what exactly? 38 actually. But I would like to say this is the predicted value. This what exactly? Predicted value. Actual value is the 40. Actual value is what exactly? 40. Can somebody tell me the error actually? What is error value, sir? Yeah, 40 minus 38. You guys are very good in math, man. Result is what exactly? 2. Now you talk with me generally. Come on, tell me, sir. Y equals to f of x plus, can somebody tell error value? What is that value? Did you understand? Let me repeat again. Y equals to, are boss, it can be minus or positive or negative. You can ignore, please. You can ignore the discussion. Here I would like to add plus or minus. What is that one? Plus or minus actually. Come on, I'm repeating one more time. What I'm just trying to do, sir, when I say the prediction, can I tell one example? Come on. Now let me give a nice example. I hope everyone knows 50 overs match, sir. Is test match is done actually? Who won, sir? Okay. Let us take a 50 overs match. Good. Then generally, before match begin, everyone having the prediction, man. Everyone having what exactly? Prediction. After match done, everyone will come to know actual score. Everyone will come to know what exactly? Actual score. This is the prediction score. After actual score, everyone will understand what exactly? Am I right or not? Good. Now, assuming that, let us take a Daniel. First time prediction. Assuming that the first match prediction. I done prediction for on an average 350, man. How much actually? 350. Then actual score is a 300. Then what is error value? Tell me. 50. Good. Then second time for the second match. I done nice prediction 330. Actual score is a 300. Then what is error value? 30. Third time, sir. Now 310. Actual score is how much? 300. What is error value? Now talk, listen carefully. No doubt at all. Definitely in your prediction, some error might be available. Best example, Indian railway station, man. Indian railways actually. Do you think train will come at right time? Never, sir. It never come actually. I'm sorry for getting these are all discussion. Minimum Vande Bharat train. I'm wondering actually it will come at right time, especially at Hyderabad location. Yeah, good. Generally, you thought like my prediction. Best example, session will start at 4 actually. Session will start at what exactly? 4. Do you think session is exactly starting at 4? No, plus or minus, either before 5 minutes or after 5 minutes, it is going to start actually. In our brain, we are having the prediction. Every prediction having back end one value. What is that value? Error, sir. What is that value? Generally, that error, it can be big error, it can be average error, it can be, talk with me, sir, small error. Now let me tell you, out of 3 times I done prediction, which prediction is really good actually? Where there is a small error, then definitely prediction is really good actually. Where there is a big error, worst actually. What is the prediction, sir? Worst. You done wrong prediction actually. Conclusion of the story. Now output, it is depending upon f of input actually. F of what exactly? Input plus what is the value? Error. What is the value? Plus or minus error. Plus or minus what exactly? Man, this is important. Output equals to f of input plus what exactly? Error. Did you understand? Good. Come on, you don't need to do PhD to understand these are all math actually. Yeah, just try to see. Y equals to f of x plus error. The purpose of this learning function is to do the prediction. This function which is having less error, the function which is having less error, that function will do what exactly, sir? Good prediction. This is also called as a predictive modeling. Machine learning algorithm. Ignore, sir. Ignore actually. Why I'm ignoring, these are all technical definition. Once you done the machine learning, you will understand. If I'm making you to read theory, you need to understand actually. Why fata one it is going actually. Learning function done, types of model. Yeah, we are entering. Important, sir. From the machine learning, first 2 to 3 interview questions from this material only. From the machine learning, first 2 to 3 questions from this document only. Get ready. And here onwards, actual machine learning is going to start. Means till now, did you engage actually? Man, just for fun. Actually, here onwards, the machine learning is going to start. What is the topic name, sir? Types of model actual. Types of what exactly? Model. Good. Yeah. In machine learning, there are mainly 3 types of models are existing. The machine learning algorithms, machine learning models, there are mainly 3 types, man. There are mainly how many types actually? 3 types. The first one is a supervisor learning. First one is what exactly? Supervisor. Second one is a unsupervised. Third one, reinforcement learning. Read everyone. Reinforcement learning. Team, I have one question. Are you done lunch actually? Or else today fasting? Tell me. Your voice will be how it is, I will ask one by one. What is your curry? What is your lunch actually? Online team, hold on, sir. I'm not getting proper response. You have to hold on. There is no alternative. Let me take a team. Few guys. Thank you. Just for fun. Don't be serious. Now read everyone. When I'm speaking about the machine learning, ensure that ML algorithms having mainly 3 types actually. The first one is called as a supervisor learning algorithm. First one is called as what exactly, sir? Supervisor learning algorithm. Supervisor actually. Supervisor learning algorithm, also called as a model. And second one is called as a unsupervised. Second one is called as what exactly? Unsupervised. Unsupervised learning algorithm. Learning algorithm. And third one is called as a reinforcement. What is the third one, sir? Reinforcement learning algorithm. Algorithm. Yeah, good. Now let me tell you. To understand what is a supervised learning algorithm, definitely you need to understand few terminologies, sir. Again, terminology, which is very easy. This one also definitely terminology is required. This is completely belongs to AI, sir. As of now, you can ignore this, the third one actually, but remember that one. Now you talk with me. There are mainly how many interview question. Do let me know how many types of ML algorithms. Tell me three types. First one is supervised. Next one, unsupervised. Third one, yeah. There are 1 minute. Now you may ask a question, Daniel, do let us know what do you mean by supervised learning? What do you mean by unsupervised reinforcement? Actually, you need to understand terminology. You need to understand what exactly terminology actually. Get ready. Now the first one will be, I'm going to cover supervised learning algorithm. To understand supervised learning algorithm, let me tell you, sir, this same example I'm going to take more than 10 to 20 times. Please focus. What is that example? Data. Talk with me. Area. Next one is a rice packs. I like this example, man, because I'm from, my father is a farmer actually. 1, 10, once upon a time. 2, 20, 3, 30 actually. Very good. Sir, you get ready. Talk with me. What is the first one? Column. Very good. Second one is column 2. Next one is input. Next one, output. Next one, input where ignore, sir. That is ignore actually. Next one is X. Next one is Y actually. Any other discussion? Independent, dependent. You can ignore. Now let me reveal the secret actually. Sir, input also having another name. X also having another name. That name is called as a feature. This is ML terminology. What terminology? ML terminology. This is pandas terminology. What terminology, sir? Pandas terminology. This is math actually. This is what exactly? Math. This one also math. This one also math. Now ensure that you need to understand. In terms of the machine learning, input is also called as what exactly? Feature. Input is also called as what exactly? Feature. This one also called as a feature. But hold on. This one also called as a feature. Feature 1 and feature 2 actually. In terms of the machine learning, where exactly input is available, that is called as a feature. Where exactly output is available, that is called as a target. That is called as what exactly? Target actually. I'm repeating again. Still this you can also call as a feature. Also call as what exactly? Feature. But generally speaking, this you should call as what exactly? Target actually. Can I get a response? Hurry with me. Now in machine learning, all inputs are called as what exactly? Feature. Output is called as what exactly? Did you understand? This is damn sure interview question, sir. Damn sure interview question actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. Now we are assuming that what do you mean by supervised learning algorithm? Supervised learning algorithm means it's a very simple. Supervised learning algorithm having features plus target. Features plus what exactly? Target. What do you mean by feature? Input. Target means output. Simple. We are going to working with the data set. We are going to working with the data having inputs plus outputs, also called as a feature plus what exactly? Target. Then those kind of algorithms are called as a supervised learning algorithm. What algorithm? Supervised learning. Talk with me. When I say supervised, feature plus what exactly? Previously one student asked one question, sir. What is the question? Sir, can I say target equals to, tell me, sir, supervised learning minus what exactly? I done namaskar, sir. Please, not required. Don't apply this math actually. Don't apply this math. Not required. This is just for your better understanding. Are you with me? Yeah. People will ask, man. You don't know the trainer pain actually. You guys don't know us, frankly speaking. Especially you guys, okay. After your course, you are coming here and you are learning. Be quiet and be silent actually. I have given few demos in college level. Where exactly? College, especially in Bangalore. College name is a CMR. On an average, 180 members in auditorium, sir. Trust me, no one didn't listen session, sir. Frankly speaking, no one didn't listen. Why? Because they're in college, right? Even when I'm delivering, stop the session, how long? Exactly same terminology actually. That day I literally feel what I feel, man, you guys don't know what you are missing actually. Literally nice subject they missed. When you are studying engineering, MCA, these are all real subject don't matter. People won't like actually, but they need either we qualified or not. That's it actually. Am I right or not, sir? Either how many backlogs you are having, that backlogs, when is the date actually, either we are going to close or not. On an average, out of 100, one or two students will be very serious. How many students actually? But because of 98 members, these guys also will deviate actually. Am I right or not, sir? That is very painful for the trainer especially. You are, all you guys are looking at screen, right? I will get more interest to deliver. If you, all you guys are looking at your mobile, talking with each other, I would like to say one word actually. Trainer will get frustration. Trainer will get what exactly? Frustration. I know that pain actually, right? Then after CMR college, and I got one more opportunity to deliver the workshop. I rejected. I told I don't want actually. Per day they will pay 18,000, sir. Per day they will pay 18,000 actually. Right? For me, I rejected it. I mean, see, if they are learning subject, if they are not giving money also, that is okay. But if they are ignoring the subject, paying money, not required actually. So ensure that. So please focus what you are learning actually. Bangalore. Can I tell the address, sir? From the Marathalli, while you are going to Whitefield, the location near to Kundanahalli. Are you from Bangalore, Srikant? All right. It is anyway. Let us move on with the discussion. Good. Before understanding the types of look at my screen. Before understanding the type of algorithm, let's try to understand the terminology. Sorry, man, one more point I need to cover. Good. Now get ready. I hope I already covered this one. This is the data one. This is what exactly? Data one actually. Let us take another data, sir. Let us take what exactly? Another data. Data number two I'm taking. Please focus. I need your attention. First one is age, gender, experience, salary. Good, come on. Age, gender, experience, salary. Experience what exactly? Salary actually. Good. Age, gender, experience, salary. Yeah, let me take 20 years, gender, male. Next one, 4 years of experience, salary. For assuming that not 40,000, dollars actually. What is that one, sir? Talk with dollars, not Indian rupees actually. Please, you have to think. Yeah, good. Next one is what exactly? 24, male or female? Female, experience 5, salary. Very good. Madam is getting 50,000 salary actually. Very good. Now let me talk with you. Sorry, get ready. In terms of the pandas terminology, this is called as a column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Very good. This is the what terminology, sir? Pandas terminology. Now, machine learning perspective, let me tell you. This is feature 1, feature 2. Yeah, very good. Feature 3. Next one is feature 4 also. Hold on. Yeah, good. But let us take the same ML terminology. Later on, I will make you by heart actually. Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. Sir, according to all these columns, which one is input and which one is output actually? Any idea? Input, input 1, input 2, input 3. Next one is what exactly? Output actually. Next one is what exactly? Are you getting your one? Good. Can I say experience is what exactly? Input 3. Gender is what exactly? Input 2. Age is what exactly? Input. Let me tell you, you know, this variable is really matter rather than gender and age actually. That is called as a feature selection. What is that one? Later I will tell you which feature is really important, which feature is you can ignore actually for the machine learning. Are you with me? Good. Yeah. Now the output is representing with target variables. Are what variable actually? Target. Yeah, this you have to remember. This you have to remember. Now I would like to say, when I say very simple formula, I'm telling supervised learning algorithm. It's a very simple supervised learning algorithm having feature plus what exactly? Target. That's it. When I say unsupervised learning algorithm, it's a very simple man. Only feature, no target. Even I will still tell you how it is possible. Only feature, no target actually. Only what exactly? Features. We don't have a target. I will tell you during that time what to do, how to do. Talk with me. Supervised learning algorithm means what exactly, sir? Feature plus target. Unsupervised learning algorithm means only features, no target. Now, slowly by slowly, let us make you to understand actually. Come on. First of all, before understanding these three definition, before understanding types of algorithm, let's try to understand a kind of quick introduction terminology. First one is what exactly, sir? Feature. Next one is what exactly? Label. Target is also called as a label, don't worry. Features are simply the columns of the table. Features are simply what exactly? Am I right or not? Like a feature one, feature two, feature three. These features explains about the data. These features explains about what exactly? Data. Just try to see feature one in the given data. Feature is gender feature, experience feature, salary feature actually. Sir, are you with me? Come on. Now label. It's a very simple. The output will get after the training. The model is called as a label. It's a very simple, sir. The target also having another name. That name is called as what exactly? Label. That name is called as what exactly? Label actually. The output will get after the training. The model is called as a label actually. Requirement. Let us take a small general notation. Suppose I wanted to do the prediction for salary. Who is having 6 years of experience? Who is having what exactly? 6 years of experience. We prepared the model and the model predicted what exactly? Salary. Here the salary is called as what exactly? Label. Still you can also call as a target. In real time we are using target word. What word actually? Target word. Still label also called as a categorical data. What data? Yeah, still we can say. I already told previously. We are trying to predicting feature based on what exactly? Others. Then this feature is called as a label. It is okay. A label example, a target example. Please focus. If you're trying to predicting type of pet, for example cat or dog, based on information, that is called as what exactly, sir? Label. Either pet animal is a sick or not, either it is a sick or healthy, based on some symptoms. Based on what exactly? Some symptoms, then that is called as what exactly? Label. Walk through this theory. Labeled data. Yeah. Why here we specified as a label? There is a some dependent information you need to understand it. Till now, are you clear? Yeah, good. What you clear actually? How many types of ML algorithms? Three types. First one, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Supervised means feature plus target. Unsupervised, only feature, no target actually. Reinforcement learning I can cover. Yeah. First interview question is this one. Explain about how many types actually. Now the next interview question will be explain about labeled data and unlabeled data. Explain about what exactly? Labeled data and unlabeled data. Sir, is algorithm and technique similar term? Arthi, yes, boss. You can also call it a model, technique, algorithm, anything you can say. Sir, am I going speed? No, right? Life cycle, remain, get ready. Tomorrow only. The practicals will start tomorrow only. Okay, these are all small topics only. Life cycle, just a matter of 5 minutes actually. Just a matter of one page discussion. But current topic, what we are discussing, it is a bit lengthy topic. It is okay. I'm not in a hurry. Current topic, what we are discussing, it takes some time for your better understanding actually. Sir, come on. Let's move on to the discussion. According to the label, data is divided into what exactly? Two types. Data is divided into two types actually. The first one is labeled data. Next one, unlabeled data. Please. Such a funny examples I'm going to give. Labeled data. Labeled data comes with the tag or label like a name, type or number actually. Name, type or what exactly? Number. Sir, what I can say, assuming that let go for my father example. My father went to shop. My father went to what exactly? Shop. How many images he bought it? 100 images. 50 belongs to 50 cat, 50 dog, either cat or dog actually. Every image on top of that, it is having image representation along with that name. Along with that, what exactly? Sir, here this name is called as a tag. Here this name is called as what exactly? Tag actually. Right, good. Tag also called as a label. Also called as what exactly? Label actually. Good. This one also called as a labeled data. This one also label data. This tag or label, it can be either name, either weight, or some number. Either name, either weight, or what exactly? Some number actually. Guys, are you getting? Good. This is called as a label data. Label data comes with a tag or label like a name, type, or number. Name, type, or what exactly? Number actually. Are you guys getting? Good. Now next one is unlabeled data. Sometimes this might be possible, sir. This might be possible. Please. How many images? Four images actually. Good. If you have given these images to the algorithm, now algorithm very best, forget about algorithm, man. Take a Daniel. Take what exactly? Daniel actually. So if you have given these images to the Daniel, Daniel can read slowly by slowly. Okay, what are all this shape? Eyes is like this, nose is like this, tail is like this, ears is like this. Then representing with what exactly? Dog. Small change here. Dishtu chukka. In English, what we need to call? A kind of some small dot actually. Right? Can I say this one more dog actually? Good. This one also dog. This one also dog. I can recognize. Somebody is calling her. Yeah. Can somebody tell, sir? 12 lbs means weights. What is that one? Weight. Weight actually. I would like to say this is unlabeled data. What is this one? Unlabeled data. I mean to say that a ML algorithm can process this kind of data, this kind of a labeled data. A ML algorithm can process unlabeled data also. A ML algorithm can process what exactly? Unlabeled. Unlabeled data means only we are having image. There is no tag. There is no label. There is no what exactly? Label actually. But previously for the same image we are having, what is that one? Dog. What is that one? So and so. Weight also it is representing actually. Guys, are you getting? How many types of data? How many types of algorithm? Means two types, man. How many types of data? Two types of data. Labeled data, unlabeled data. One more time. Labeled data, unlabeled data actually. Good. Yeah, good. So please focus on this one. It is a bit important. In supervised learning, we will train the model by using feature and by using label. Talk with me. Can somebody tell me? In supervised learning, we will train the model by using what exactly? Feature and label. It's a very simple, sir. What do you mean by feature supervised learning? Supervised learning means exactly the relation between trainer and student. A student under supervisor. A student is learning with the faculty. That is called as a supervised learning. What is that one? Supervised learning means trainer will guide you. Boss, you need to go in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. A trainer will suggest you this is the input and this is the output. If you really work hard, the output will be you will get a job actually, something like that. Yes, are you getting? Good. Now repeat one more time. In supervised learning, we will train the algorithms by using what exactly? Feature and label actually. Good. Yeah, good. Let me tell you. Assuming that area, next one is rice packs. 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, 30. Good. Now if you have given 440, if you have given this data to the supervisor learning algorithm, what algorithm, sir? Supervisor learning algorithm. Supervisor learning algorithm or model. Then what can I say? This is the olden data actually. What data actually? Olden data. With this data, it can do prediction for tomorrow data also. What data actually? Tomorrow. What do you mean by tomorrow data? Any idea? Suddenly somebody is talking about the area and so and so 5 acres, sir. How much actually? 5 acres. What is the rice packet stock with me? Yeah, very good. Very good actually. Now what you need to understand, if you are having historical data, kind of input and output actually, you are eligible to apply what kind of learning technique? Supervised learning technique. I need a response from you. If you are having historical data having input and output, what it is having? Input and output, also called as a feature and target. Also called as what exactly? If you are having feature and target, get ready to use supervised learning model. Then once this model trained very well, then you can apply on tomorrow discussion or else tomorrow data. What do you mean by tomorrow data? Area 550. Yes, very good. 6. Next one is what exactly? 60. 7. Next one is what exactly? 70. Something like that. Right. Now go back. You are having the data. This data will be, last 1 week stock details, stock price details. Actually, what details? Actually, stock price details. Give this data to the supervisor learning algorithm, supervisor learning algorithm, learning model, learning technique. These are all similar terminologies, sir. Then what we can do, tomorrow stock prices, you will get it out. Actually, what you are going to get? Tomorrow stock price details. Stock price, you can do the prediction. You can do what exactly? Prediction. Actually, are you with me? Don't miss tomorrow session. Yeah. What you know, if you have given to the supervised learning technique, what you wanted to know. This is something like a Monday stock prices we are giving to whom? Supervised learning. Then it will create the model. By using that model, we can do prediction for what exactly, sir? Tuesday. Simple. This is the supervised learning algorithm. What is that one? Machine learning algorithm was divided in such a categories. I will tell you. Hold on. Maybe mostly tomorrow you are going to understand what exactly the supervised learning came. Why unsupervised actually? Unsupervised. Anyway, let me just try to give. I will explain from here one more time tomorrow. Let me stop the session now. Don't miss tomorrow session. Tomorrow, at any cost, we are going to start practicals from the machine learning. Sir, there are a few steps in ML. Please tell me, everyone, what are the steps actually? I will tell you. First one is, yeah, importing library. Second one, loading the data set. Am I right? Third one is splitting the data set. Fourth one, nice, data preparation. Fifth one, yeah, model creation. Next one is model training. Next one is prediction. Tomorrow, if anyone is missing, tomorrow complete practical discussion over this one. Complete practical discussion. How to split the data. Tomorrow we are going to do this one actually. You know it splitting. Did you remember? My father have taken data. What is the ratio? Exactly we are going to do today. Tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to take the data. That data over the data we are going to apply splitting technique. What technique? Man, nothing is there. Just there is a function. You need to call that function. Then close the discussion. That's it. But real interesting. Tomorrow I'm going to tell one function. Seriously, till now you didn't see that kind of function. That's real interesting. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Fine then. We're done for today's session. Thank you. Let me upload. Otherwise, did I miss any material till now? Till now, we just understand the theory. You just have an idea actually. Anyone knows One minute. Anyone knows Tamil?